Hi guys, sorry it's been a long time since I made a edible video, but here we go. We're gonna do cookies and cream Oreos. Things you will need is 2 saucepans, one with water in the bottom of it, and another one to go on top like that. It's called a double broiler. You're gonna need a package of Hershey's cookies and cream, package of Oreos, about half a cup wheat butter, a tray to put them on, vanilla oil so it doesn't stick, fork, plastic spoon, and I think we're ready to go. I'm going to turn the stove on to about 4, over 4. Doesn't really matter if you break them up or not. You just throw them all in there. It seems a little smaller than they are. The faster they cook. I don't know if there's really any science behind that. Put all those in there. And you put about half a cup of wheat butter. Should be about a good ratio, I think. So it's melting down pretty good. Cookies and cream bar melted down a lot thinner than what the almond bar does. You may have to let this sit for just a second before we do any kind of cooking. I'm not sure. We'll try it and find out. Cookies and cream mixture over. Take the Oreos. These bad boys up. Take one, roll it in. Mixture here. Fork. Over. Sit for soda. Okay, we're going to take these and put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Okay, we got them out of the refrigerator. They look pretty good. Coated all the way. Nice and dry. We're going to go ahead and try them out. Well, we're going to try these out. Lots of chocolate. Really good though. Try them yourself. Find out. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already. And message in the comments if you make these and tell me how you like them.